basically, I think by now we're back. The audio, I didn't see that it wasn't on, so we've already entered in the trade, and our expectations are that price by now we're back must move to the downside. I don't know if I'm wrong at first. So basically, like I said, let's just see. One was 11 pips stop loss, which was here, and the other one is the one that we took in here. I think, let me maybe just try to show something. Okay. I did take the pictures. Let me see. So I think I did. I did have. Yeah. I did have. So yeah. So basically, so this is the trade that we took. I think it's able to be shown. Yeah, so we took it in that level, and it was almost deep. So now we're just gonna go. The trade that we took. We're just gonna go to. We're selling. Our stop loss is there, 12 pips. I don't know if it's 12 pips. It's not really 20. Let me just count the pips to see what. So we've got. Since I was late, but I was pushing for 10, a maximum of 10 pips, which is I wanted to enter here on the green one, like you can see I close. Yeah, I wanted just 10 pips. So now, since I was late, I entered here, so I'm basically pushing same what, just break past even the same trend line that we're having on the 15-minute time frame. So I usually go on the 15-minute time just to be on the way of the professional. Yeah, the strategy is just trend lines and psychological levels. A break of a trend line, you enter. That's all. Then I usually do have I do have CT. I've never done ICT though before. Never. Yeah. So on a W on the 15-minute time frame and the 5-minute time frame, and then on my left, if it, I'll basically, then I go for that, like I plot the same way I did here. I basically go for the high and low and prices, and I basically move in for a sale. I mean, we're having this high here, right? Yeah, it looks so tight though, but yeah, that's how the strategy is. If it gets past this level, breaks above, then so the only thing is just to be able to cope with the market. So whatever the market gives us is what we go for or with. I don't know, maybe today I'm just gonna take one trade or two, but maximum in a day is just 2 trades. And the only reason it doesn't usually happen to have 2 ideas. The book of James says, I just want to be, if I'm going in the market for a sale, I'm going in for a sale. If I'm going in for a buy, I'm going in for you decide to take a shift entries. Sometimes it's just, yeah, sometimes market moves because of news, and so it tried to push price to the high level. The scripture says, thus saith the Lord thy Redeemer, the Holy One of Israel, I am the Lord thy God, which teacheth thee to profit, which leadeth thee by the way you should go. So it's basically yeah, so that's the case. So basically, put it. Um, this is just for those that are entering in for the second time. Like for those that want to. But from yeah, for me, I'm just going in for a sale like that. I just enter on this, so I'm just gonna go for a sale. I had this at first before the market, like I saw a break here. If you want, you can go in here, but if you want further confirmations, just wait for a break below. Since we're having this level here before you go in on a retracement, like price breaks below here very nicely. So basically, price is moving in our direction a little bit. Yeah, we haven't seen anything yet though. Let's just be hopeful. So this is what we're having. We're basically having, or we're doing a sale. Today is the last day of the week. Seen a little bit of a break there on the trend line, I believe. Yeah. To basically complete the break. This is gonna give us a bit more of confidence, then at least to be able to draw a trend line from this end to that end. So basically, price is. We lost connection a bit, I think. Yeah, because we didn't have enough network. But so as usual, hope you prayed for entering the market. Somebody was telling me that forex is spiritual. Like you really have to, yeah, because it deals with a lot of the Lord's leading. Even if you are losing and you prayed, yeah, still have to come and still depend on God. See, you still have to please just even if you lose a trade, as far as you prayed, it's a win. It's a win. because it's still the whether lose or win, stay calm every time. Part of psychology. Scriptures, they're important, but also keep your psychology as you learn, and also just to focus as well. So what I'm telling you is basically also that I'm learning mind as well, yeah, so that I don't forget. Okay, so I'm back in the land session, and I'm greeting all the viewers, whether you're gonna watch the video later on after 5, 6, 7 days, 1, 2. I'm greeting. Let's learn this together. Yeah, let's learn this together. Basically, we do the technical analysis together. You share your ideas, I share my ideas, and later we'll become profitable. Later we'll become profitable because profitability is inevitable. Yeah, I just trade GBPUSD. Just trade GBPUSD for me, and that's the only pair that I trade. Trend line, psychology levels, strategy. That's the only strategy. Trend line break. Then yeah, there's just a bit I would say a strategy that basically works for you and just can't work for me and can't work for you if my strategy can't work for you. There's also with ICT, they learn it fast, and there are some people who learn maybe trend line break, they understand it fast, just like that. But I would say trend line. And so let me just wait, see what market is gonna do for us. See what the Lord has done. So for me, I'm selling GBPUSD. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and also I'm basically share. Let's learn together. I don't know. You'll bring up also ideas and how we can help ourselves in terms of trading. Yeah, in terms of trading. Mostly if you're a beginner, because I'm as well, I would say I'm as well a beginner, since we're not yet, I don't know of profitable in the market, learning. So the reason why I'm doing lives is because they are helping a lot in terms of handling over trading. Yeah, so at least if you're just take one trade. If you lose, you lose tomorrow. So it's only the levels of entry that I use level here. And imagine I entered here and I was having basically I would say it must be a buy, but I'm supposed to take a buy here, and like I thought the price is gonna bounce off and go, and it did bounce off a little. The last, and I said it before, that before even it got my buy limit code activated, said I said that I'm basically just going to enter on two levels, this and this. This will be my last trade. If it stops me out, I'm done. Since I don't take trade, most likely it's the London session, and from the London session, I usually trade the New York session between 3 p.m. and to basically 4 p.m. if I do not enter in the market. So yeah, but I held today trade. This one I got it around 4 p.m. and we had to see that really prices, we really have to be just patient in the market. Just let the price move, don't follow me up here. To the TP again came down, then here I basically was just waiting to say, oh, okay, now let me just see what's gonna happen, and price just did whatsoever it did. So let's just be patient. If you've got a key entry that you want to enter at, or basically just wait for the market to move. Just take trades, two trades starting 10 a.m. I take one. If I don't have an opportunity that I'm looking at, then I don't trade. If I'm having one, then I trade. Yeah, exactly like that. So like here I'm having one, so I'm trading here. And so basically I'm having one touch, two touch, three. This wasn't a three, I didn't see it that much. The one that made me to imagine, I was thinking the price is gonna rally up to this level, but this level is gonna be a sell zone here. We're gonna be doing some selling, and prices rockets up high to this level. It's gonna be selling. One, the break above, it came to two. So usually just in the I prefer following the second touch. Prefer following the second touch, and then after I sell here, so that it can come and break this guy below. Like price coming to the downside, break below this level. On the calendar, if there is news today, so 23rd of February, we're not having news. It's a free market. No irrational decisions by the people, just traders trying to play around with numbers. Oh, what are we having? NFP. NFP. We're gonna have it. Yeah. Carried out by news. It's one of the biggest movers of people doing the selling and buying, letting go of their holdings, and so I'm gonna cut the stream later. Basically, we are doing a sell on GBPUSD. That's what my trade idea is, and I've already entered anything that's gonna give us So I'm gonna cut the stream. I'm gonna cut the stream, but it was nice trading with drop. Basically, price came bounced off through here. We've seen a drop. Then price rallied, dropped again, rallied, dropped, broke above K as a two, blah 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 blah. Three, then that's this one. And I'm gonna take whatever is gonna. I'm, yeah, since I'm it moves like if it doesn't move a lot, like maybe it hangs in here today, then I can hold till next week too because I'm expecting that price has to break. So until it breaks and moves a little bit to the downside, comes and shock us up to this level here. If we had news today, we would have seen some big movements, but sometimes even if there's no news, we do see something like that. So thank you everyone for the trading session and everyone